What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ty here, and today we finally got our Cobb access port and BigSF intake. So that's what we're going to be installing today. I did an unboxing video, but unfortunately I deleted the freaking footage by accident. So this is the new intro for the video. I hope you guys still enjoy, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So today we are going to be installing our Cobb intake because we already got our access port today. I already married it to the car. I didn't even load a tune really. I just did the, the OEM map. Now I'm going to install the intake, and then I'll load the stage 1 plus map. I'm freaking excited because I cannot wait to have that little bit of extra power. I don't know what it's going to sound like. I hope it sounds as cool as I'm thinking it will, but I'm ready for this install. I just got to get under the car and we'll get started. All right, so we're going to start out now. First, I'm going to take off the snorkel really quick, and then I'm going to remove the MAF sensor. All I need for this is just a flathead. That should be simple enough. And then for the MAF sensor, I will need a Phillips, and that should be pretty simple too. Now that we got those two screws out, we're gonna take out the whole MAF sensor and then disconnect it very carefully. All right, that's out of there. All right, with that taken out, now I'm gonna put it into the new intake. It matches up with the screws. You can't put it in the wrong way. So you want the numbers like that. All right, so now moving on, we're gonna go ahead and remove this bolt with a 10mm wrench and the bolt down here, so that we can go ahead and unclip this box and remove the whole intake system. All right, now that everything is removed and these two are unclipped, I can go ahead and take the whole air box out. All right, so now I'm gonna have to loosen this one clamp on the intake piping so that I can take the rest of the box off. I believe that's an 8mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that up so I can just take this out, and then we'll move on to the next step. Whew. All right, so I got my stock intake off already. There was a lot of stuff going on with the skid plate and getting it out, so I just went ahead and did everything. I didn't record it, but yeah, it's out now. It wasn't that bad. There's a big old empty spot now in here. And I don't think I broke any clips. The clips that are broken are the ones that were broken before. So I think I did a pretty good job. All right, so now I'm about to put the new intake piping, so yeah. All right, so we got that part done. The rubber pieces are all installed on the box. That shit was hard as fuck, but it's fine. And now we're just gonna put the box in. There's the dash cam, and then there's the POV cam.
What's the POV? What does that mean?
Point of view.
Where's that pointing though?
It's just over here.
So if I put my head in the way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can it hear me? Okay, show me his GTI, because it's a truck, right?
No, sucking in the air. You hear it? Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Did you hear it, Tia?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if you roll down the window, you can definitely hear it.
I definitely hear it's like.
Oh man, that's so cool. Okay, I think I can turn around up
And
here.
then you can go right back to Riverdale. Straight from here.
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude, what? Oh my god, dude, what? Dude, it sounds so cool. Oh
You want to
man.
trace spot?
I hear it.
Can you hear it though? Okay.
Oh my gosh. Alright. I guess I don't need to go on the highway then. I heard you. That's cool. Oh my god. I cannot wait to make some more videos now. Yes, dude. I got pops, I got the whistles. Yes. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm so freaking hyped. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
And then it starts over again.
Now I have to get a blow off valve. Now I have to. Oh my gosh, dude. I can't wait to make this video. It's gonna be so freaking cool.